So you want to do something like the square root of 12, and you've been asked to simplify the square root of 12. And this comes under the mathematical topic of surds. And of course, we could go straight to the calculator, put in square root 12, and get a decimal answer, a long decimal answer that we don't really want to write. We'd far rather write the square root of 12. The question is, could we simplify square root 12? Well, yes, we can, because if I go back to the calculator and I write in the square root of 3 times the square root of 4, can you see that I get exactly the same decimal answer as I got for square root 12? And all I've done is I've identified factors of 12 and broken up the square root into square root 3, one of the factors, times square root 4, the other of the factors. So these two things are exactly the same. Square root 12 is exactly the same as square root 3 times square root 4. And I might want to write that without the times sign in the middle. Square root 3, square root 4. And the reason I've done that is because this square root 4 is not what we would technically call a surd, because we can simplify it. Square root 4, we know, is just 2. It's the whole number 2. So I can simplify this again to 2 square root 3. And that would be our simplified surd answer. And the general rule that we want to remember here, that we've used within that, is that if we have the square root of a times b, then that is the same, the very same, as the square root of a times the square root of b. And there we go.